I'm always amazed by how much money a monthly budget can actually help you save. Like some people are saving all the way up to 80% of their money as Daniel, but that's more of like a very high income earner. So realistically, if you aim for the 50/30/20 budget, that's probably like the best way. And I guarantee about 95% of the people watching this don't do a unique monthly budget that's unique to each month. And those that do always find extra money to save. So the goal and what's, quote unquote realistic and what you should aim for is about 50% of your money is for your needs, 30% of your money is for your wants, and then 20% is for savings. And if you live in Canada, there actually is some budget planners to help you. If you live in the US, well, you can create your own through, Google Sheets or look for templates online. I would recommend Google Sheets monthly budget, or if you really want to get fancy with it, go with like an annual business budget or like an annual budget and then break it down into a monthly budget as well. Here's some things that you probably want to include in a budget, right? So giving, savings, food, utilities, shelter, everything you see right here is probably something that you want to consider. And if you want some great ideas on how to break down a budget, Daniel Braun's got a good one right here, budgeting for beginners. You can go to NerdWallet and get some good ideas for budgets. And then similarly, you can always use the Google Sheets one to get some examples on how to budget. And they break down a bunch of ones and add custom categories for you. But I recommend strongly making a budget, and I guarantee you'll find some money. Might not be 20%, right? I understand we're in a cost of living crisis, but that amount that you can save will slowly go up over time. That's my short spiel on budgeting and why you should start. I know it's probably, maybe the 8th, the 10th, the middle of the month. It doesn't matter. Just start a budget now. I promise you it will help in your savings. It will help in reducing your expenses and making this cost of living just a little bit more manageable. Hit subscribe for more, and I wish you all the best. Thanks.